Hi guys, welcome back if you've been on this channel before. Had a little call out this morning from a guy who contacted me on Facebook through some Honda owners group. He's got a CB650, which is not running well, which apparently his sister got it when she bought her house. It was left in the garage or something, so he got it for nothing. Not running very well, so my first guess is that it's going to be carburetors. So I have loaded up my pannier bag, going to bolt the rail back onto the Triumph and head over there and see if we can get it running.
Treasure trove here, this is awesome. Hey!
Okay, so we flushed out the carbs, just cleaning out the jets a little bit without disassembling. They seem to be fairly clean actually, just a bit of dirt in the bottom of the bowls. So yeah, we had a look at the jets, cleaned the carbs up, put them back together. We pulled the spark plugs out, we checked the compression. Compression was really good. It was like the lowest one we had was 130 on cylinder 1, the rest were 140, 145, so really good. Check the timing was a little bit out, a little bit retarded, so just corrected that. Yeah, the guy said that someone has already checked the valve clearances, so I'm going to believe that and leave them as they are. Yeah, just synchronise the carbs now. They were a little bit off, so just all synchronise them to the same as carb number 2, which is the non-adjustable one. I think all that's left is just to clean the fuel filter in the tank itself. Just check that out, maybe throw a bit of fresh fuel in the tank, but she seems to be running quite well, so I'm going to do that and then take her for a run up the street and yeah, see how it is. Don't know if this is going to show, but I think there might be a bit of rust in the tank. Yeah? Feels alright so far. Bit of a dead spot there. Feels strange to ride a bike with clip-ons again. It's been a while. God, the brakes are horrendous. Beyond horrendous, Jesus, they are really bad. Oh, the rear brake does absolutely fuck all. So, job done. Time to go home. Really nice to get working on an old Honda again. So, I'm home. Thanks for watching. If you've made it this far, then maybe you can click down there on the subscribe button or give it a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. Thanks a lot, guys. Until the next time.